In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to consolidate audio tracks in FL Studio. Consolidation is a great way to combine multiple audio parts into one clean file, so your session stays organized and your computer runs smoother. It also makes exporting stems or sharing projects much easier because everything you need ends up in a single tidy clip. Start by arranging the tracks you want to merge in the playlist in the exact order you prefer. What you see is what you'll get, so make sure your clips line up the way you intend. This process captures the audio as it plays back in the playlist, so it's a good moment to double-check timing and transitions. Next, select the selection tool and highlight everything you want to consolidate. Click and drag to cover both the tracks and the time range you need. Be sure the selection starts where you want the new file to begin and ends where you want it to stop. If you have very precise edits, zoom in to include the very first transient and the final tail so nothing gets clipped unintentionally. With your area highlighted, go to the Playlist Options menu. Click it, navigate to Tools, and choose Consolidate Playlist Selection. You'll see two choices, from Song Start and from Selection Start. For this tutorial, choose from Selection Start. That tells FL Studio to render only the portion you've highlighted, starting exactly at your selection instead of from the very beginning of the song. A window will pop up with several options. Here you can control how FL Studio handles audio that extends past your selection boundaries. Keep Remainder preserves any tails beyond the selection. Cut Remainder removes anything outside your marked area, and Wrap Remainder moves the extra audio to the start if that suits your workflow. You can also fine-tune other preferences in this window to match how you want the final consolidated file to behave. Once you've set everything the way you like, click Start. FL Studio will begin consolidating the selected material into a single track. Depending on how many clips and effects are involved, this may take a moment. You'll see the progress as it renders. When the process finishes, FL Studio leaves all your original tracks exactly as they were and creates a new merged version of the selection. You now have a single consolidated track you can move, edit, and export easily. For clarity, consider renaming the new clip so it's instantly recognizable in your session and keep your project saved to lock in the changes. And that's it. Your tracks are consolidated and your playlist is cleaner and easier to manage.